Hello again, it's me, Heather, from Thrift to Flip. Today I thought we would have a little bit of fun and do an unboxing video from a few things that I ordered from Poshmark. Now, I have an ulterior motive for this video, and that is I'm really passionate about branding your closet. I think branding yourself is really important, so I'm curious to see what the packaging looks like for the three sellers that I bought from and how their packaging differs from each other. So we're gonna open these three packages together and see what I got. Okay, so this first package is from The Key by Kate, and that is her closet name, at The Key by Kate. You can also find her on Instagram, and I will link her closet down below in the description. So I ordered a pair of shoes from her, so let's open these bad boys up. I've never ordered shoes from Poshmark before. This is my very first one, but I absolutely had to have these shoes when I saw them, and I think you'll see why in just a minute. So you can see on the outside of her packaging a Key by Kate logo sticker. So she's branded the free USPS package, and then she also has put a little thank you sticker right here. So I love that she's branded it here. So we are into this first package. Let's see. The first thing I see is I see tissue paper right here on the top. These are the shoes that I ordered, and they look like they're in great shape. They're wrapped individually in this tissue paper. Here is the second shoe. So we got both shoes, that's a good start. And then there was also a card here inside one of the shoes, and you can see it's branded The Key by Kate. It has her name on it, owner stylist. It has her email for her shop. It has her website. I know that she runs a blog. I follow her on Instagram, so she has that there too. She has her Poshmark closet, and then she has her Instagram handle at The Key by Kate here on the bottom. She's got you going to a few different places, and it makes contacting her really easy. So I like that she has that branding in there. Let's move on. That is package number 2. All right, package number 2 came from the closet S.E. Kurtz. And again, I will link this closet down below. This closet is not one that I was familiar with going in. I do not follow her on social media or anything yet. I was just scrolling for a particular item that I felt like I wanted to add to my spring wardrobe, and she happened to sell it, the exact one that I had wanted. So I went ahead and purchased from her closet. Let's see, on the outside of the box, it is a Priority Mail Express box, and there's no branding. You see here just the shipping label, and it has the Poshmark branding on it. So there's no closet branding on the outside of this package. Let's dig into it and see what the inside's like. And right off the bat, this is what I see. There looks to be a package in pink tissue paper, tied with a little tulle ribbon, and with a card with my name on it. So I'm gonna pull this out and open it all up and see. So here is the package, what it was like inside. Let's open up the card first. I love the writing, it's so pretty. My handwriting is not like this at all. My husband says it looks like a doctor's handwriting. Here's what the card looks like. And on the inside it says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy, Sarah." And then she has her website here, it looks like decor with Sarah K, I believe, decorwithsarahk.com. So she's pointing us to her website here. Let's unwrap. I love this little cute tulle ribbon. And then there's the tissue paper, and my pants that I ordered are folded up inside. They look like they're in great shape. So I'm really happy with that packaging. I think that it was done really well, and it has a really nice personal touch. Just from my own experience with branding, when I'm looking at ideas from my own closet, there are a few things that I really like about this. I really like how she tied with the tulle around the tissue paper, but taking the time to handwrite a note can take a lot of time. I think little touches like that make a package really special when you're opening it every day. Taking that time to handwrite a note is really going to eat into your productivity, so that's just something to consider. let's move on. Definitely not least is package number 3. This package I ordered from a closet called K Fashion H87, and I again will link all 3 of these closets down in the video description. This package is another one that I was just scrolling through the feed and I happened upon something that I wanted to add to my spring wardrobe, and this seller happened to have it in my size, so I went ahead and ordered it. She's not someone they were not someone I was familiar with going into the process. Just first impressions of the outside box, it is just the priority mail package. There is no branding outside of this label with the Poshmark here on it. And so let's open it up and see what the inside is like. Here is what it looks like right upon opening it. You see, again, colorful tissue paper and a handwritten card right there on top. Let's take a look at the card. This is what the card looks like. Oh, it goes that way. Has a little bit of glitter. It says, "Dear Heather, thanks for shopping in my closet. I really appreciate your business. P.S. You will look amazing in these pants. Have a blessed day." So that is what it says on the inside. She doesn't have so far there's nothing pointing me back to her closet or a website or social media, nothing like that yet, but we'll see what happens when we dig in a little more. This is just the pants that I ordered, and let's unwrap. All right, so here are my new pants that I'm obsessed with. Even though I just got them, I'm already obsessed with them. But there was no other business card or package insert pointing me back to shop from her again or to follow her on social media or anything like that. Because I had a really great experience with her and I got my pants really fast and they're in great shape and I love the little note, now I would like to go follow her on Instagram. The problem is now I have to hunt for her on Instagram because I have no idea what her Instagram handle is or if she even has one for her closet. So including something, branding yourself, and figuring out where you want your customer to go after they get their order is a really important part of your business. I'm going to talk more about this in a video all about branding, where I talk about the customer journey and what to consider when you're designing your packaging and thinking about that experience for your customer. But for now, I thought it was just really fun seeing the 3 different ways that these closets package their orders. I really did take away from this that everybody uses tissue paper and handwritten notes are popular when it comes to sending out orders. Everybody did it just a little bit different. They put their own little spin on it, which is something that makes buying online and buying specifically from Poshmark really fun. So that is something to consider when figuring out your own packaging and how you want your customer to feel when they're opening that package. Well, that's it for me for this unboxing video. I hope that you had fun opening these packages along with me. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!